What's the meaning of countdown? Countdown. Countdown.
Countdown. Countdown. A countdown is a backward counting process used to mark the time remaining before an event.
It starts from a specific number and ends at 0, and typically involves counting down seconds, minutes, or hours. Countdowns are often used to build anticipation for an upcoming event, such as the launch of a rocket or the beginning of a sports game. As the countdown progresses, the tension and excitement increase until the event finally begins.
The result of a countdown is usually the start of the event or the reaching of a deadline.